Picture this. You've snapped the perfect photo, but a messy background is ruining your professional look. Tools like Photoshop are expensive and complicated, and other apps paywall, and the best features forge it to frustration. In the next few minutes, I'm showing you a 100% free website that removes any background in 5 seconds flat. I'll also reveal a hidden trick to get high-resolution images without spending a single penny. The magic website is called remove.bg. I'll prove it to you right now. Watch as I drag this messy photo onto the site. And just like that, the background is gone. The edges are crisp, even around fine hair, with no pixelated mess. It's incredibly simple. First, go to remove.bg, drag your photo onto the page, or click Upload Image. In about 5 seconds, the AI extracts your subject perfectly. If you spot a tiny error, click the Edit button. There you'll find an Erase Restore brush to quickly fix any spots. So when you're happy, just hit Download to get your transparent PNG. Now for the big reveal, how to bypass the free resolution limit. After you download the free smaller PNG from remove.bg, open a free AI image, upscaler like Big JPG, or another online tool, just upload your small PNG. Select a 4x scaling factor, and in seconds you have a huge high-quality image. This simple extra step saves you from paying for HD downloads and gives you professional results for free. Even with a tool this simple, a few things can trip you up. First, don't upload massive files. Resize your image to under 12 megabytes for the best results. Second, busy patterns on both your subject and the background can confuse the AI. If it makes a mistake, use the Restore brush in the editor for a quick fix. Third, and most importantly, always download your final image as a PNG. JPG files do not support transparency and will add a solid white background, defeating the whole purpose. And there you have it. The fastest, most effective, and completely free way to remove a background from any photo. You can now turn a messy selfie into a pro headshot, create clean product photos for e-commerce, or design YouTube thumbnails that pop. The power is in your hands, and it even works on your phone with the remove.bg app. If this tutorial just saved you time and money, hit that like button so others can find it. Subscribe for more no-fluff tutorials, and check the description for all the links. Now, go fix that photo.